Today, I'm showing you how to make a Snapchat public profile on your Android device. Let's get started. Open Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Access Profile. Tap your Bitmoji avatar or profile icon in the top left corner of the camera screen. Find Public Profile. On your profile, you'll see Public Profile option. Tap on it. Create Public Profile. If you don't have a public profile yet, tap Create Public Profile to get started. Choose Username. Enter a public username if prompted, or if you don't see a Create Public Profile option, tap on the username and tap on Edit to change your public username. This is different from your regular Snapchat username and will be visible to everyone. Add display name. Enter your display name. This is the name that appears on your public profile. Select category, if prompted. Choose a category that describes your content: creator, artist, brand, etc. Set profile picture. Your Bitmoji is used by default, but you can change your public profile picture if desired. Add content. To add content to your public profile, create a story and select Post to Public Story before posting. Share public snaps. When taking snaps, you can choose to share them to your public profile by selecting the Public Story option. Settings option. Tap on the gear icon on the top right to go to your public profile settings. There, you should be able to preview your profile, manage public stories, spotlight posts, notifications, and many more. And that's it. You've successfully created a Snapchat public profile on your Android device and can now share content with a wider audience.